Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, great. Well, my name's Lucy. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Oh, great.
Yes.
It's really nice for me to speak to another lady. Yes, I
Okay.
often, yes, I often speak to a lot of men, so it's nice to speak to another female. Yes.
Thank you. Where are you
So,
from?
I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. Have you
Oh,
heard
very
have
nice.
yes, have you heard of my city before? No? Oh, it's okay. How about you? Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. Wow.
Yes.
You are my first student from India. That's so
Oh,
lovely.
really?
Yes. So so what time is it in India?
Mm, uh, I don't know.
Is it
Yeah.
is it the evening? Is it the evening? What time?
Okay, okay, time. Oh,
Yes.
okay. In
Okay, 11:32 p.m. Okay.
yes.
Uh in
And there
in my city, it is 8 p.m.
8
Yes.
p.m.
So yes,
Okay.
it's 8 p.m. in my city. Okay. So how is the weather in India today?
Ah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very cold. So cold. It's winter
Oh,
in my city. Yes, it's
oh,
freezing. But we didn't have any rain yet. And we don't get snow in winter, just a lot of rain, but we didn't have rain today. It's just been very cold. So,
oh.
um, is it is it is it summer in India?
So, yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay. So is it very hot? Very warm?
yeah. Or,
Oh, okay. And and what is the weather like in winter?
uh,
How is the weather in winter in
uh,
India?
not,
Mhm.
sorry,
Do you
speak again.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll write it down. Okay. How is the weather uh in India. In winter. Sorry, in winter. Sorry. Okay, got it.
Oh, very cold.
Very cold.
Yes,
Okay. Do you
yes,
get do
no,
you get a lot of rain? Snow?
yes,
Oh, wow. I didn't
yeah.
know you have snow in winter. Okay.
And there,
Wow. And no snow. No snow. Yes, no snow
uh,
in winter. Yes.
do you
So
like,
so um I have never seen snow, only a
oh,
little at the top of the mountain.
mountains?
Um but but in winter we only have rain. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
So
so,
so what did you do today?
uh, I wrote two books
You
and
wrote
one
2 books?
wrote,
Wow! You write books?
no, no, three,
Oh, read,
sorry.
read. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Ah, lovely. lovely, lovely. So,
One of teaches and second think and grow.
okay, very interesting. Lovely. And
Yeah,
are are you working or are you a student?
I'm student.
Student. Okay. And what are you studying?
I am studying in
Oh, you are in 11th grade. Oh, you are
yeah.
in school.
Yes, high school.
Okay. Lovely, lovely. So, what is your favorite subject?
Uh, and Urdu.
Oh, lovely. I'm glad you like English.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So
And
what's your
and oh, me? Oh, I'm just a teacher. I like
oh
to teach, yes. So,
okay.
um, do you have a big family?
Yes.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
how many siblings do you have?
Uh, two older brothers and one older sister and me.
Okay. Oh, lovely, lovely. I only have one brother, one older brother.
Oh,
Yeah. Yes.
so
And
do you live with your family?
um yes, I it's only me and my dad. Yes, me and my father. Yes. What?
Your mom and brother
Oh,
with your
my
yeah.
mom and my dad not together anymore. Yes,
Oh,
they're not married anymore. Yes. And, do
okay.
you have any pets? Sorry, I'll
Pets?
write it down. Yes.
No. Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Yes? How many?
Yeah.
One?
One.
Mm, One? Oh, okay. What kind of pet do you have?
One moment.
Okay. Do you do you have a dog or a cat?
No. Mm.
No? Oh,
Cow.
oh. Oh, that's lovely. I love cows. They are so cute.
Yes.
Yes, I love cows. I think they are so cute, and I like to see them at the farm. So they're very, very sweet. Yes. So what color is your cow?
uh, white.
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 Okay.
Yes.
And what is your cow's name?
Anjali.
Angeli. Oh, cute. I love Angeli.
Yeah.
Okay. And 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 is she a nice cow? Is she sweet? She's a good pet?
Sweet.
Very nice.
Yes.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Okay. And and what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is rabbit.
Rabbits.
You know?
Oh yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. They are so cute. I love rabbits. My friend has two rabbits. So I like to
Oh.
see them. Yes. Oh, well, I'm so sad to see we are running out of time, but thank
Oh
you for
yeah.
joining me. I hope to see you next
Welcome.
time.
Nice to
Thank
meet you.
you.
Bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye.